Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and today I am going to talk about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency. It is secured by cryptography, which explains its name. One major advantage of cryptocurrency is that they are highly decentralized and are out of control of financial and government institutions. This means no direct or indirect involvement of middlemen in transaction. It is a direct person to person transaction. These cryptocurrencies work on a technology called blockchain technology. For the present reference, we are limiting it to cryptocurrency only. In cryptocurrency network, all the users' computers are connected as a network. When two people do a transaction with one another, the transaction is recorded in a ledger. This ledger contains all the data of transactions and is updated each time a transaction happens. This ledger is updated and distributed to all the users, which creates a chain. So, if due to any technical glitch or cyber attack, one computer changes its data, it can use other thousands of user computer as a reference point to correct itself. This way, no data tampering can happen and transparency is maintained. Advantages of cryptocurrency. As discussed before, it is highly decentralized, more confidential and secure transactions take place. There is a wider scope of transaction as it is an internationally accepted medium. It is easy to use and highly portable. It has very low inflation and collapse risk involved. Types of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the first and most popular and valuable cryptocurrency. It was launched in 2009 by a person under alias name Satoshi Nakamoto. The real name of person is still a mystery. There is a limited supply of Bitcoin and the limit is set to 21 million coins. As of present, still 3 million Bitcoins are left to be mined. Mining here refers to the rewards that is given to the people who process and validate Bitcoin transactions. Validating the transaction requires solving very complex mathematical equations with the help of computer systems. When the miners validate about 1 MB of data, they are given reward in form of bitcoins. There are more other types of cryptocurrency. As of now, there are over 2000 different cryptocurrency in use worldwide. Some of the popular ones are Ethereum, Tether, Ripple, Libra, Litecoin, Zcash, and many more. Legality of cryptocurrency. As of now, Bitcoin is legal in India. Cryptocurrency is also banned in several countries like Pakistan, Nepal, and Ecuador. Thank you.